Namaste. Welcome to Amrutaharam by Deshi Amrut, wood pressed oils and natural groceries. The purpose of this channel is to share a variety of recipes with the ingredients available in Deshi Amrut. Today's recipe: Moringa leaves foxtail millet pulao. Main ingredients: Moringa leaves, Deshi Amrut wood pressed sesame oil, foxtail millets, and chickpeas. Ingredients list and quantity will be given in description. Procedure of pulao need not be described. Instead, let me discuss the nutritional benefits of ingredients. Moringa leaves. The miracle herb can also be called as drumstick leaves, in Telugu munagaku. Moringa leaves are a great source of protein and also contain all important amino acids. Moringa leaves contains minerals and vitamins too. It has 10 times more vitamin E than in carrots, 17 times more calcium than in milk. The fluorouric acid in moringa leaves helps control blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It has good amount of folic acid, which is good for pregnant women. It contains more potassium than in bananas. Moringa leaves help in increasing energy levels of the body. They are rich in iron. The phytochemicals in moringa leaves helps reduce cholesterol. The rich contents of antioxidants improves brain health. The antimicrobial and antibacterial compounds help in fighting skin infections. Moringa leaves are loaded with strong immune boosting phytonutrients that strengthens the immune system. Vitamin A in moringa leaves support healthy eyes and clear vision. Rich calcium, vitamin K, and proteins contribute strong bones. Moringa leaves contain high concentration of polyphenols that protects the liver against any damage. Moringa leaves and curry leaves are considered as a rich food from ancient times. Every house backyard in India still follows the tradition of growing moringa and curry leaf trees. Moringa leaves are used to treat 300 diseases including cancer in Ayurveda. Foxtail millet, another main ingredient in our recipe. Foxtail millet is rich in dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals, and low in fat. Foxtail millet helps to regulate blood pressure and are good for heart health. It also helps in reduction of LDL levels in the body. It has low glycemic index and is an excellent substitute for rice or other grains that can increase blood sugar. Foxtail millet is gluten free, therefore it helps in improving digestion, increases energy level, and helps in maintaining cholesterol levels. These millets also help in eliminating viruses and germs in body. Foxtail millets are high in antioxidant. They help in fighting diseases and building immunity. Foxtail millet is rich in fiber. It helps preventing breast cancer in women. As foxtail millet rich in calcium, it helps maintaining bone health. It also contains vitamin D. Foxtail millet contains tryptophan amino acid which gets digested at a slower rate so that it helps consuming extra calories in diet. This millet supplies adequate amount of iron which is essential for the brain oxygenation and prevents Alzheimer's diseases. It also helps you look beautiful because the amino acid in the millet help in formation of collagen, which helps in slowing appearance of wrinkles, and the result will be amazing youthful beautiful looking skin. These millets are easy to cook and can be adapted in various Indian recipes. You can cook it as rice and eat it with all Indian curries like dal, fry, sambar, with everything and anything, as normal as how you eat paddy rice. But to get complete nutrition from millets, they need to be soaked at least for 6 to 8 hours so that fiber present from the core of the kernel to the outer layer will be soaked well, and thus it regulates glucose release into blood slowly during digestion. Also, whenever you soak millets, soak it with little water and do not throw away the water. Instead, use it in the recipe preparation. This helps to retain all the vitamins and minerals. So much of knowledge at once. Hold it tight into your head and enjoy tasty and healthy recipes. Invest on a farmer for a healthy society. Raito Rakshiti Rakshitaha. Thank you.